Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions useful for all the upcoming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Let's start. Which of the following is the light combat aircraft designed and developed in India? MiG-21, Tejas, Dhruv or Chetak? The answer is B, Tejas. Mark 1 Tejas is the light combat aircraft designed and developed by Hindustan Aeronauticals Limited in India. It finally bags the FOC certification. It is a major milestone for the Tejas to get the final operation clearance. It is also known as the world's lightest fighter plane and it is ready for the battle now, the Tejas, to replace the MiG-21 fighter jets. Now, today Army Chief Bipin Rawat flies in Made in India fighter jet Tejas at the Aero India show. Expect questions from this topic, very important. Which country's news agency unveiled the world's first female artificial intelligence news anchor? South Korea, Russia, Japan or China? The answer is D, China. China's state-owned TV channel Xinhua unveiled the world's first ever artificial intelligence female news anchor. You can pronounce it any way you want, Xinhua, Xinhua, but in Chinese they pronounce as Xinhua. According to the Xinhua news agency, Xin Xiaomeng, you can pronounce that Xing Zaimeng also. The world's first female AI news anchor is expected to make a professional debut during the upcoming meetings of China's national legislature. She is the news anchor. Tibet is closed to foreigners till which of the following date? Feb 28th, March 1st, March 31st or April 1st? The answer is D, April 1st. Tibet is closed to foreigners till April 1st. China is barring foreign travelers from Tibet over a period of several weeks. Now why? 60th anniversary of 1959 Tibet Uprising Day is observed on March 10th. Now what is the importance of this day? In 1959, the people of Tibet turned against Chinese occupying forces and the spiritual leader Dalai Lama, fearing for his life, escaped across the border to India. China, in keeping foreign travelers out of Tibet during sensitive political anniversaries. Clive Lloyd is a former cricketer belonging to which country? England, Australia, West Indies or South Africa? The answer is C, West Indies. Clive Lloyd is a former West Indies cricketer. Recently he was at an event in London. Remember, the 2019 World Cup will take place in England and Wales. Clive Lloyd captained the West Indies in 3 World Cups, winning in 1975 and 1979. While losing the 1983 final to India. Remember, the first edition of ICC Men's Cricket World Cup took place in the year 1975, in which West Indies won against Australia under the leadership of Clive Lloyd. So very important person. There can be question here, who was the captain of West Indies in the inaugural edition of ICC Cricket World Cup in 1975, in which West Indies won against Australia. So remember. Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy belongs to which sport? Badminton, cricket, kabaddi or shooting? The answer is B, cricket. The Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy is a T20 cricket domestic championship in India, organized by Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI. The current champion is Delhi cricket team and it is a first title for them, and the most successful team is Baroda and Gujarat. They won 2 titles each. Supreme Court asked Anil Ambani to pay or face jail in which of the following case? Vodafone, Ericsson, Telenor or Reliance Jio case? The answer is B, Ericsson case. The Supreme Court of India found Reliance Communications Limited and its chairman Anil Ambani and 2 other group firms guilty of contempt of court and asked them to pay rupees 453 crore to Ericsson within 4 weeks, and failure to pay the amount 3 months jail term will follow up. The court also imposed a fine of rupees 1 crore each on them. Trump to meet Kim in which of the following capital city? Beijing, Pyongyang, Hanoi or Naypyidaw? The answer is C, Hanoi. And Donald Trump, the President of United States, to meet Kim Jong-un, the President of North Korea, in Hanoi, which is the capital city of Vietnam. Vietnam is a Southeast Asian country on the South China Sea. The currency of Vietnam is Vietnamese dong, and Vietnam is preparing for the high-profile meet to be held on February 27th and 28th. Remember, the Trump and Kim met for the first time in Singapore on June 12, 2018, and this is their second meet. Which country will push to put Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar on the UN sanctions list? China, USA, Saudi Arabia or France? The answer is D, France. Ambassador of France to India Alexander Ziegler said that his country was pushing to put Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar on the UN sanctions list. And this will be for the second time that France will put forth its proposal at the United Nations. In 2017, France, supported by US and UK, had moved a proposal at the UN sanctions to get Azhar declared as a global terrorist, but it was blocked by China. Let's see the question for the day. International Mother Language Day, celebrated every year on Feb 20th, Feb 21st, Feb 22nd or Feb 23rd. Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Which of the following countries celebrate 70th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations? India and Saudi Arabia, India and Argentina, India and USA or India and South Africa? The answer is B, India and Argentina. Amulya Krishna answers as India and Russia. India and Russia's diplomatic relationship is more than 70 years, but recently India and Argentina celebrated the 70th anniversary of the diplomatic relationship, so don't get confused. The President of Argentine Republic, Mr. Mauricio Macri, was in India from 17th to 19th February 2019. The invitation of Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi as part of celebrations of 70th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relationships between Argentine Republic and Republic of India. Let's see the quote for the day. Wake up with determination and go to bed with satisfaction. If you have an attitude of making up your mind every day to do something regularly, like continue trying, continue practicing, continue reading, then your chances of being successful is very high. So always be a person of determination. This is it for today. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.